This is the Ubit AX Wi-Fi 6 card. It comes with 2 antennas, and you could also put larger antennas on it since they're just screw-on. This is the card itself. It's pretty compact. You can use it in smaller compact form computers, and it works well enough in large computers as well. It has a little port here where you can plug it in for your Bluetooth, and then it does have the larger bracket already pre-installed. I'm not going to use the Bluetooth just because I would have to give up my USB port on my computer, and I don't have a splitter. It also comes with a smaller bracket for some of the small form factor computers, and you got a driver's disc, which most likely nobody's ever going to need it because these cards are plug and play, and they'll automatically find the drivers and everything that you need. This is just as easy as just plugging it in. That's all you got to do. If you got a little PCI Express port, just plug it into that one, which is what I'll be doing here. Once you have it plugged in, you just need to secure it with a screw and you're good to go. Next, just screw on your antennas and you're pretty much done at this point. Boot up your computer. It should automatically see the drivers and you're ready to get connected. All right, so we have it all plugged in and fired up, and I'm using Wireless Mon as a pretty much it's a benchmarking tool and everything for Wi-Fi networks. You can see it's showing up as an Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX 160 megahertz, and it's connected to my 5 gigahertz network right now. You can see it's showing a speed of 866, and it will show your strength, all that different stuff here. And you can do quite a bit of different things with this thing. I'm not going to go into details with this. I'm just kind of showing the card itself. We'll go ahead and do a couple speed tests here. Here, I'll just do a couple quick speed tests. I'll do the 2.4 gigahertz first. Now, I have a 515 connection at home, so I won't be able to do a super fast upload test with it. But it does do pretty well when it comes to doing the downloads. I'll also do my hotspot, which does get quite a bit higher of the upload. So at 2.4, you're definitely not going to get quite as fast, but your range will be much, much further. I'll go ahead and we'll switch over to the 5 gigahertz and we'll do another test. And it is pretty much seeing my top speeds here. I'll go ahead and I'll get my phone connected and we'll have a speed test with the phone hotspot. I'll go ahead and just do a refresh here. All right, sees my T-Mobile network. The ping is definitely higher with the hotspot. Still sees pretty decent speeds with it. Now, I'm not sure how high the upload speeds will go with this card. I just don't have those available to me in my home to really give it a test. But overall, this card has been working great. I've had it for about 8 months now with no issues whatsoever. This was just a really quick review, but if you need a card, I'll put a link down below. This is a really good one to get. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, like, comment below.